Good morning, happy Monday. I'm going to go ahead and introduce your next project. The next project is going to be working with 3D letters. We're actually not going to do just multiple letters, you're just going to do one. If you want to do two, that's completely up to you. So your agenda for today is to review the agenda we have in the Google Classroom, find a piece of cardboard to cut out your paper letter, and then I'll go over the size in a later part of this presentation. And then you're going to draw and cut out the initial of either your first or your last name. So my first name starts with a C, so I'm going to cut out a C or an N, but it's up to you whether you want to do your first name or your last name. And then at the end, you're going to need to upload a 10-second video of your letter. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through how to do that. Alright, so I'll go on our agenda. Okay, so review the presentation so you know what to expect by the end of the day. And then you're going to go to a website called printables or printableparadise.com to find your letter, the letter of your first or your last name. So the link is right here. And then you're going to find either a cereal box or anything that's kind of hard so it holds its form, or you can use cardboard. Ideally, you want to use cardboard because it's thicker and it won't bend as easy. So you want to make sure that you find a sheet that's big enough to hold your letter. Okay, so your letter should be about the size of a piece of paper. So I'm going to walk you through that today. So like I said, there's going to be 3 options for you to draw out your letter. You can do either you can print it out on a sheet of paper and then cut it out completely. And the second option is to trace directly from your Chromebook. Okay, so you go to your Chromebook. Okay, you want to go and expand. Okay, if your image is really small, like this, what you need to do is expand it so it's about the width of your paper. Okay, but not too big, otherwise it won't fit. Okay, so here's what it'll look. If you fold the paper, okay, it'll be a lot easier to put it on top of your Chromebook screen. And then once you're done with the first half, just scroll down to the bottom half and finish the bottom half of it. Okay, and the third option is to go ahead and do it on a computer laptop. And the advantage of using a computer laptop is that the screen is large and you don't have to scroll up and bottom, or top and bottom. If you click on this, let me log in. So if you have a computer laptop, that's going to be a lot easier because, one, you got to expand to the width of your paper, and then you want to occupy as much space as you can so that your letter is about the size of a sheet of paper. And then at the end of the day, okay, once you have your letter printed out or traced out, you want to go and cut out the letter. So I'm going to go to the website. Okay. Actually, we're not going to do that. So your goal by the end of the day today is to trace out your letter, okay, and transfer it onto a piece of cardboard, or find anything that's paper thick so that it doesn't bend. So, for example, paper probably would be ideal. If you hold up the paper or the cardboard or the material, and if it bends, then you know it's not hard enough for this project. So if you look at the cardboard, okay, if you hold it up, obviously it holds its form. Okay, so your goal by the end of the day is to go ahead and cut out one letter. If you're very ambitious and you want to go ahead, then you want to go ahead and do 2. Okay?